USB Network Gate is an essential USB sharing solution by Ultima software that lets you share USB devices over network. Thanks to Ultima USB over Ethernet sharing technology, you can share USB devices over local network or even internet, connect USB devices to a virtual machine, access local USB devices from remote desktop session. To install USB Network Gate, go to net-usb.com and download the demo version. Please note, as USB Network Gate supports Linux and Mac OS, as well as Windows OS, you can easily connect to USB device shared on Windows computer from a Linux or Mac one, or vice versa. Double-click on the executable file and follow the on-screen installation instructions. Now, launch the application and switch to Share Local USB Devices tab. In a USB device tree, you can select which device you want to share. After the device was selected, click Share USB Device button. You will see Share USB Device window, where you can customize some additional settings if you wish. When sharing a USB device, you can enable password authentication. In this case, the connection with your shared device from a remote side will be secured with a password. It is also possible to enable traffic encryption. All data sent via network will be encrypted. However, this may slow down the communication speed. When you are done customizing additional settings, press Share Device button. To unshare a USB device, select one and click Unshare USB Device button. That's it. Now, let's take a look at how Remote PC can connect to a shared USB device. You need to switch to Remote USB Devices tab and click Add Remote USB Device button. Now you can see Add Remote USB Device window. If you want to search for remote USB port with shared devices at some specific remote computer, then type that computer's IP address or network name in Remote Host box and press Find. If you want to look for all shared devices available on local network, press Find All button. Select the remote USB device you want to use and press Add Remote Device, then click Close button. Now, you need to connect to the chosen remote USB device. Select it from the list and press Establish Connection button. Enter the password if it is required by remote USB device and press Connect to continue. After the connection is established, remote USB device will appear in System Resources as if it were connected to this computer directly.